This is an exciting time for the young people of Wales. A new curriculum for Wales has arrived that will enthuse learners from 3 to 16, giving them the foundations they need to succeed in a changing world. The curriculum is changing to help our young people become more adaptable and motivated to keep learning new skills as life and the world changes around them. Exactly the capabilities that employers say they want to see.
4 purposes are at its heart and embedded in the life and work of schools. They set the aspiration that children and young people should be
ambitious, capable learners who are ready to learn throughout their lives. For example, setting high standards for themselves, enjoying research and problem solving, interpreting and evaluating data, using digital technologies, communicating effectively using Welsh and English.
enterprising, creative contributors who are ready to play a full part in life and work. For example, thinking creatively, grasping opportunities, leading and playing roles in teams, expressing ideas and emotions.
Healthy, confident individuals who are ready to lead fulfilling lives as valued members of society. For example, establishing secure values, spiritual and ethical beliefs, understanding mental, physical and emotional well-being, overcoming challenges, living life independently.
Ethical, informed citizens who are ready to be citizens of Wales and the world. For example, engaging with contemporary issues, respecting the needs and rights of others, committing to planet sustainability, considering the impact of their actions. The 4 purposes will also underpin new assessment arrangements.
What else is changing? Digital competence is now part of the curriculum. It joins literacy and numeracy as one of the foundations for success in learning and life. The new curriculum also encourages creative, connected learning based on 6 areas of learning and experience: expressive arts, health and well-being, humanities, languages, literacy and communication, mathematics and numeracy, science and technology. It is broad, balanced, inclusive and challenging, giving a wide range of experiences and opportunities. It has been widely welcomed by education professionals and those with an interest in the future of young people.
Practitioners across Wales worked with experts to develop the new curriculum guidance and identify the support teachers and practitioners need to implement it successfully.
The new curriculum will be taught to pupils up to Year 6 and some in Year 7 from September 2022. All pupils in Years 7 and 8 will be taught with it from 2023, and it will then roll out year by year until it includes Year 11 by 2026. Find more information on what the curriculum reforms will mean to you at www.gov.wales/curriculum and assessment.